This is the brand new Honor 90 Lite. This is from Honor's new 90 series of devices. Lifting the lid, you get to see our device. So let's see what device we have. And we have the new Midnight Black option. On the back, you'll notice a dual ring camera design. It has a 100 megapixel f1.9 main sensor, 5 megapixel f2.2 wide and depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. Also in the box, you'll find a SIM tool, and you will find your USB-A to USB-C cable, which can be used to charge the 4500 mAh battery. It has a 6.7 inch LTPS LCD FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2388. It will give you 90Hz refresh rate, has a 16 megapixel selfie camera, has the MediaTek Dimensity 620 processor, which is 7 nanometers in size, 5G connectability, running Magic OS 7.1, all based on Android 13. Before setting up our device, I'm going to jump into the vision settings section, and you've got magnification, so you have the option to magnify. So toggle this on, 3 quick taps, and you can actually magnify into your display. 3 quick taps and that brings you back. 3 quick taps and you can navigate with one finger, and then as soon as you release, it takes you back again. So having that option is really important. The next option you'll find in here is font size, and being registered blind, it's always good to change the font size, making it easier for me to make these videos. So coming back, we are now ready to set up our device. So let's tap get started. We're going to choose United Kingdom and tap next. Then we have some terms and conditions that you will need to agree to use your device. There's a little tick box that you need to press, and then you can press next. Your next option is to connect to a network. You could use your mobile data SIM if you wish. Scroll through the selections and find your Wi-Fi connection. Simply tap on your connection and enter your password. This would be the first time you see the keyboard. It's easy to read and a simple layout. Once connected, it will turn blue and say it's connected. Tap next. Then your device will check for software updates and the latest features are installed. The next section talks about copying apps and data. So I can start this option and connect another device if I wish to, but I'm not going to. I'm going to set up as new and say don't copy and move on to the next section. Again, it's just going to check for system information and updates. The next option is to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one if you wish to. If you've forgotten your password, you can reclaim your password. You'll need a Google account to use all of Google's services and their applications. Simply type in your Gmail account and password and continue. Once you're signed in to your Google account, you'll be asked to read the terms and conditions and agree to this from Google to use their apps and their services on this device. Here in the UK, you will have a further option to choose your search browser. So I'm going to choose Google, but you have many to choose from and they give other details and options, but you can select the one that you want to use. Moving on, you have the access Hey Google via your voice match on file. So mine's already on file and I'm going to allow this to happen, but you just need to agree to further terms and conditions. You also have an option to allow Google Assistant to be used when your device is locked or unlocked or on the lock screen, so I'm going to say allow. Then we come to data privacy, so again more data information you just need to read through and agree to. Then you come on to your Honor ID. As this device is from Honor, it has its own Magic OS software overlaid on Android 13, and you can sign into your Honor ID. If you don't have one, you can create one. I'm just going to skip for the process of the video. Then we come on to device protection. So you have fingerprint, face unlock, and set passcode. So we're going to set our fingerprints, but you will need to enter a code, and you can change this to a 4-digit code to start off with. Once you've repeated your code, find your fingerprint sensor, which is your power button down the right hand side, and simply start to tap your thumb or your finger. It's more likely going to be your thumb, and you just tap this gently against the power button and it will give you vibrations and indications when you've got it correct, or you may need to redo it and you fill in the fingerprint on the screen. It may ask you to adjust your thumb to make sure that you've got all angles. You can add another finger later on if you wish. Next step is to set up face recognition, and again you will need to enter your PIN. I'm just having to slightly align myself here to the camera so my other camera doesn't get in the way when recording, and it does it pretty quickly here. We have further enhanced services from Honor, and I'm going to agree to these because I want to get every use out of my device. So user experience program, and again I'm going to agree to this. Location services is absolutely okay as well, and then the new navigation system, and it's going to take you through a trial. So you simply slide left to come back. You can do it from the right hand side as well. You can swipe up to go home if on an application. and you can swipe up and hold to show all applications. So it's a little demo trial to do, and if you're new to this, it's worth doing. Tap finish and you're going to load into your Honor home screen, and your device is set up. So the Honor 90 Lite is all set up and ready to go. However, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Make sure to leave a comment below, give this video a like if it's helped, and if I can help in any further way, it's great to hear from you. For me, Ricky, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for further content on the Honor 90 Lite.